My name is Suzanne Gunnink and I'm a policy fellow here at IAS. I work at St. Queen Blood Supply Foundation, the Dutch blood bank, and I have a background in medicine and epidemiology. And the focus of my research is the use of blood transfusion products in premature infants in intensive care units. And I'm here at IAS because I want to explore what we can learn in the way we do medical research from complexity theory. On the one hand, I want to see if I can borrow some of the methods that are being used in complexity theory in my own research, because the way we do research now is mostly focused on single risk factors or single diseases and treatments at a time, where we know in reality there's lots of interactions between treatments and diseases, patient characteristics, and all of these things change over time. So the way we do research doesn't really reflect the complexity of real life. That's one aspect. On the other hand, what I really like about complexity theory is that it acknowledges that you can never fully understand a complex system or predict how it will behave, and that requires a different way of managing a complex system. So instead of relying only on existing data, there needs to be a constant interaction, learning and adaptation. And I think sometimes in medicine we tend to rely too much on existing data. So is good care relying on the data that you have, even if it's little data, or are there other ways that we can guide practice? And if so, how can medical research contribute to that in a meaningful way? So these are questions that I don't have answers to yet, but I would like to explore further in this fellowship.